Drivers have been paying to park in two of La Crosse's downtown ramps for just a few days. Pay stations will be activated for the La Crosse Center ramp next week, but a vote yesterday by the parking board means drivers oh boy, I felt it. I felt it coming. I tried really hard to avoid it, but let's get back to the story. So drivers won't have to use those pay stations during events at the La Crosse Center. So instead, they'll pay a flat oh boy. They'll pay a flat. Thank you, Bill. In case, here, wait, he's bringing me.
You okay?
All right.
You got this?
All right. Maybe I should start over.